Welcome to Rotomaster, the turbocharger specialists. When replacing a turbocharger, replacing the oil and coolant lines aren't just a suggestion, it's best practice. Old, clogged, and degraded lines are one of the leading causes of turbocharger failure after installation. And that's why Rotomaster now offers complete turbocharger oil and coolant line kits, the lifeline your turbocharger needs to thrive. Your turbocharger is the heart of your engine, but it depends on healthy and clean lines to keep it alive. Oil and coolant lines deliver the lubrication and cooling that keep bearings spinning and temperatures in check. When those lines are restricted or corroded, the flow is cut off and your turbocharger will fail fast. That's why industry best practice is to always inspect and replace oil and coolant lines when swapping a turbo. It's your insurance policy against costly comebacks and premature failure. Rotomaster's Turbocharger line kits are engineered for reliability, right out of the bag. Each kit includes everything you'll need for a clean, complete installation. Precision fit oil and coolant lines, banjo bolts and gaskets pre-assembled, and all the clamps, O-rings, and adapters you'll need. No loose parts, no guesswork, just open the bag and install. And here's what sets us apart. Unlike OE plastic drain oil fittings that can crack under heat and vibration, Rotomaster upgrades this component to steel for a stronger, longer lasting seal. With no assembly required, installers save time and reduce the chance of leaks or missing components. The direct fit design ensures proper flow and function, restoring factory performance and protecting your new turbocharger right from day one. Rotomaster's Turbocharger oil and coolant lines and line kits, engineered for performance, built for reliability, and designed to protect your turbocharger from day one. Complete the repair, protect your investment, and perform with confidence.